I ran into this last week. Here's what fixed it for me. If you are unsure about how much is left on your American Express gift card, follow these simple steps to check your balance. Step 1. Visit the American Express website. Go to the official American Express gift card balance check page. This is where you'll enter your card details to find your balance. Step 2. Enter your card information. Input the card number and the security code found on the back of your gift card. Make sure to double check for any typos. Step 3. Click on the check balance button. After entering your details, look for the button that says check balance and click it. This will process your request and show your balance. Step 4. Review your balance. Once the page refreshes, you'll see your current balance displayed. Take note of it and remember that some transactions may take a few days to reflect. Step 5. Keep your card safe. After checking your balance, store your gift card in a safe place. If you lose it, you might not be able to recover the funds. I hope this helps you keep track of your American Express gift card balance. If you have any questions, feel free to ask.